Hello everyone, my name is Akshaj. I am in grade 6 from the academy school. Today my project is about a digital clock. So I have made a coding and I'll show it to you. So in first line I have imported tinctor.import everything, and second line from tinctor.ttk it will import everything. The fourth line is from time it will import strf time library. Then the next thing is we'll make a root that is equal to tk, and then I'll give the title to the root as clock. Then I'll make a function as time. Then I'll make the string is equal to strf time, means I will tell the format of how I want the clock. So I made it as hour, minute and second. Now I'll make the label configure that if the text is equal to string, then after 1 second it will display the clock. Now I have made a label in which it will store the working of the clock. So first I have stored root, and then the font is equal to DS digital and the font size is 80. Then I have set the background equals to black and the foreground is equal to cyan. Then I have packed the label anchor equal to center, which it will start the clock from center. Now I've run the time loop and the main loop also. So this is the clock I have made. Yes, so as you can see, this is the clock I have made. So thank you.